My name is Dao Shi. I'm a 35th generation Shaolin disciple who grew up in Toronto, Canada. I'm trying to make my teachings more accessible to the world in hopes to benefit more people. Become my student and practice with clarity and purpose. In this YouTube channel, you will learn about Qigong theory and study Qigong-related cases to help improve your understanding. Please watch the episodes in order for your first time. What is Qigong? To answer that question, we need to first ask the question, what is Qi? It seems that today the definition for the word Qi is life or vital force. Thus, many people think of Qi as a force of nature that causes movement. Without it, there is no life. Science has shown that there is movement in everything, including things that appear stationary like rocks, or things we can't see like the air we breathe. Thus, you could say that there is Qi in everything around us. But if we rely on this abstract definition, we could get confused pretty quickly. So instead, I prefer to view Qi as simply energy. This boundless definition of Qi means that everything is in fact made up of Qi. The air is Qi, our skin is Qi, and the clothes are made up of Qi. We interpret these things as different objects because Qi combines itself in a way that our senses can interpret differently. For example, our eyes can interpret Qi into different colors or levels of brightness. Our fingers allow us to interpret Qi into smooth or rough surfaces. Our ears interpret Qi into different tones and loudness. Our nose can interpret Qi into pleasant or disturbing aromas. Our tongue interprets Qi into sweet or salty flavors. If you adopt my broader definition of Qi, then there will be no limits to your understanding and Qigong development. Now that we've established what Qi is, let's try to understand Qigong. Most people who practice Qigong refer to it as an exercise that involves regulated breathing and gentle movement. Depending on their definition of Qi, they may tell you that they are doing it to cultivate more Qi, to move Qi around the body for health, or for some spiritual reason. Taken directly, this might seem very abstract and again, cause confusion. So instead, I prefer to view Qigong as an exercise to make you more aware of energy, to make more energy available in your body, and to apply your energy for some purpose. But to what purpose? Let's talk about health for a moment. Many people are interested in doing Qigong for health. But let me ask you, what exactly is health? Surprisingly, most people don't have much of an idea of what health means. Are you healthy when you don't have any illness or symptoms, such as a runny nose from a cold? Are you considered healthy if you have a permanent injury to your leg? Are you unhealthy if you break out in hives due to an allergic reaction? What if you are feeling stressed or sad? I prefer to define healthy as being able to do the things you want now, and also when you are 40, 60, 80, or 100 years old. If you don't take care of yourself now, what will you have to give up doing 20 years from now? Or, put another way, if you prepare yourself now and maintain your practice, what more will you be able to do 20 years from now? Being healthy means you need to also be realistic in your goals. Going back to the purpose of Qigong then, let's add that the whole point of practicing Qigong is to take responsibility for your own health, so that you can apply your energy, that is Qi, in a way that you can live fruitfully. Now, I know this is a lot to think about, but I'm going to add one more important idea. Since I've defined Qi as simply energy, the practice of Qigong then includes every part of your body: your muscles, your tendons, ligaments, bones, blood, water, skin, your organs, and even your brain. It also includes your environment, such as the air you breathe. Only by thinking this way can you truly reap the benefits of Qigong. Qigong, then, is the practice of energy, awareness, cultivation, circulation, and development for a fruitful life. Next up, learn about the net qi theory, one of the most important concepts in Qigong and yet is rarely taught.